gotta fix the roof. Here it is. Oh, I cut a huge portion right out of there. Let's go look at that. That's it. That's how bad it is. Okay. Nasty. So anyways, I made this one. Very nice. See that? Made that one. Couple little holes right here. I could just weld those up right there. 2 right there. Everything else is solid. This is all solid right in here. So I'll just weld a couple holes there. And you see how this pan curves down? I'll fix that. Welded up the air antenna. I don't want anything there. I do have a dummy light. I welded those up. Still have to put some more seam sealer in there, but we're rocking. Getting the body work done. Bye.